In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a globe icon in Figma. This simple yet effective design can be a valuable addition to your projects, whether you're working on an app, website, or presentation. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. First, head over to your Figma file. You can create a new one or open an existing project where you'd like to work on your globe icon. Just click the link provided in the description if you need to access a specific Figma file. Once you're in your Figma workspace, the first step is to draw an ellipse. This will form the base of your globe. Select the ellipse tool from the shape options and drag to create your circle. Make sure to give it a stroke to make it thicker. For the fill option, simply drag the slider so that the inside of the circle is transparent. This will help your globe stand out nicely. Now that we have our original circle, let's make another ellipse. Copy the first circle and shrink it down a bit. You want this second ellipse to be smaller and fit nicely inside the original one. This inner circle adds depth to your globe, making it look more dynamic. Next, it's time to create some copies of the original circle. You should make 2 copies and position them above and below the circle you've just created. These will resemble the top and bottom halves of your globe. Don't worry about getting the sizes perfect right now. We'll fine-tune everything as we go along. After positioning the top and bottom circles, we will cut them into arcs to start shaping the globe. Click on the circles, then select the point where you want to create the arc. When the arc option appears, drag it to adjust the curvature. This step is crucial as it gives your globe a more realistic spherical appearance. Once you've adjusted the arcs to your satisfaction, take a moment to check how it all looks. You should see a nice representation of a globe starting to form at this point. Don't worry if it's not perfect just yet, we'll refine it further. Now we'll add some final touches to our globe. Grab the pencil tool to draw a line through the middle of the globe. This line will help define the equator and give your globe that recognizable look. It's a simple addition, but it makes a significant difference in the overall feel of the icon. Finally, take a step back and admire your work. The globe is now ready. You can adjust colors or add additional details, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we've created a beautiful and simple globe icon using just a few tools. And there you have it. You've successfully created a globe icon in Figma. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you enjoyed the process. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. See you in the next video.